We'll guide you through how to change the font in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Once you're in the document you want to edit, go to the toolbar at the top of the page. You'll see a drop-down menu with the name of the current font, usually set to Arial by default. Click on this drop-down menu to open the font list. Here, you'll see a variety of fonts you can choose from. Scroll through the list and click on the font you want to use. If you're looking for more options, you can click on More Fonts at the top of the drop-down menu. This will open a new window with an extensive selection of fonts, where you can search for specific styles or browse by categories like serif or handwriting. Once you've found a font you like, click on it to select it, then press OK to apply it to your document. The text in your document should now update to reflect your chosen font. If you want to change the font for only a specific portion of the text, highlight that section first before selecting the new font. This way, only the highlighted text will change, leaving the rest of your document in its original font. You can also set a default font for future documents. Click on Format in the toolbar, then Paragraph Styles, then Normal Text and update normal text to match. After that, click Format again, go to Paragraph Styles, then Options, and select Save as my default styles. This will make the new font your default for all new documents created under your account. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.